welcome to Cher's Foodies. Today I'm back with another amazing recipe, that is hot sauce chicken. So the ingredients that we require are half kg of boneless chicken. Here I have boneless chicken nicely chopped into small pieces. This is at least 500 grams. Here I have 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. So first of all, to this chicken, we'll add in the black pepper, then we'll add red chili powder. To it, we'll add ginger garlic paste, and then finally we'll add in the lemon juice. Now mix all these ingredients well. This will be the marination for our chicken. Mix it well until they are nicely coated. So friends, here I have mixed the chicken well. Now add salt to taste. And just mix it well again. So friends, now it is nicely marinated. We'll keep it in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then we'll coat it with flour. So to make the coating, here we have corn flour and all-purpose flour. I've used 1/4 cup of corn flour and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Here I have 2 tablespoons of pizza mix. Here in this we have added red chili flakes, oregano, and some herbs. Here I have salt to taste. Now we'll mix all these ingredients together. We'll mix in the flour. Then to it we'll add this pizza mix. Then we'll add salt to taste. Add the salt generously because you already added salt in the chicken. Now mix it well until it is nicely incorporated. So friends, here I have mixed the flour mixture well. And here I had marinated this for about 15 minutes. Now we'll coat this chicken. We'll slowly add in the flour to the chicken. Add a few tablespoons of flour. And then mix it until they are nicely coated. So friends, here I have coated the chicken really well. Here you can see. Now here I have 2 egg whites separated. Now we'll add the chicken pieces into the egg whites and coat it well. Add the chicken into the egg whites. Coat it well. And then take them off in a plate. Now this is the leftover flour. We'll add the chicken that is coated with egg white and we'll coat it with this flour again. Add the chicken pieces into the flour and then mix it well. Now we'll coat the chicken again with the egg white. Coat it well and then again coat it with the flour. You have to repeat this step at least 3 times. Here I have some plain cornflakes. We'll crush them. Friends, here I have crushed these cornflakes into small pieces. Now we'll coat the chicken pieces with these flakes. This will make your chicken very crispy. Just coat all the chicken pieces similarly. So friends, here I'm done coating all the chicken pieces. Now we'll go ahead and deep fry all these chicken pieces. So friends, here my oil is nice and hot and I'm slowly adding all the chicken pieces one by one. Now make sure while you add the chicken you don't overcrowd it. And fry them until they are nice and golden brown in color. So friends, here I'm done frying it. Now similarly we fry all the chicken pieces. So the ingredients that we require to make this hot sauce chicken are: here I've taken the fried chicken, here I have red chili sauce, here I have tomato sauce, this is 1/4 cup, and here I have soya sauce which I've used 2 tablespoons, and finally here I have 1 tablespoon of pizza mix. First of all, in a pan, add in a tablespoon or 2 of olive oil, then we'll mix in the red chili sauce and tomato sauce and then add it to the pan. Mix it instantly. Add in rest of the red chili sauce and mix it well. Then add in soya sauce. Mix it and then we'll add in the pizza mix. Now mix it well. After 2 minutes, when it comes to a boil, add in the chicken pieces. Now mix them really well. So friends, here you can see all the chicken have nicely coated. Now we'll serve it. So friends, here I have served the hot sauce chicken. This recipe is really very easy. Do try this recipe at home.
So friends, if you like this recipe, please do try this at home and hit the like button and also share it with your friends and family. If you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing and new recipes. Thanks for watching.